Today you learn the one skill this whole journey rests on: how to breathe through your heart. It is simpler than it sounds, and once your body knows it, it never forgets. Let's begin. Sit comfortably, spine tall but soft. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath just to arrive and let it go. Now, place a hand on the center of your chest. Feel the warmth of your hand, the gentle weight. That place right under your palm is your heart center. This is where your attention lives today. Most of the time, we breathe from the head, thinking about breathing. Today, we move the breath down. Imagine your next breath flows in, not through your nose, but directly through your chest, as if there is an opening right there, right where your hand rests. Try it now. Breathe in through your heart and breathe out through your heart. Good. Again, in through the heart, out through the heart. You may feel warmth or a soft opening, or nothing at all yet. All of it is right. Now we find the rhythm. Breathe in slowly for about 5 counts, and out just as slowly for 5. I'll count with you the first time. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, at your own pace. Smooth in, smooth out. No forcing. The breath is soft, like a wave arriving and leaving. If your mind wanders, that is not failure. Just return to your hand. The warmth is always there. Now, one more layer, the most important one. As you breathe through your heart, remember something you appreciate. Something simple. A person, a place, this morning's quiet. Don't think about it. Feel it. Let it sit in your chest and breathe through that feeling. In through the heart, carrying appreciation. Out through the heart, spreading it wider. This is it. This is the practice. Slow breath through the heart with a feeling that lifts you. Now practice on your own for a little while. I'll stay right here. Breathing in through your heart. Breathing out, letting the feeling grow. Gently now, feel your hand on your chest again. The warmth, the rhythm you created. This is your foundation. Every practice from here builds on what you just did. You can return to this breath anywhere, before a difficult conversation, in the middle of the night. Your heart is always waiting. Take one more breath in through your heart and out. When you're ready, open your eyes. If this practice supported you, a like and a subscribe help more hearts find their way here. There's also a gift waiting for you, a free meditation kit, linked in the description and pinned in the comments. And if you feel called to go deeper, join our member community where we practice together. Until next time, your heart knows the way.